Hello guys, Crisp here and welcome to another unboxing video here in the second channel. Today we're going to be unboxing the Beelink SER9. This is a mini PC, of course, with very interesting specs. It has the Ryzen AI 9 HX370 24-threaded CPU with 12 cores, and it's a Zen 5 with the best iGPU in the market today, which is the Radeon 890M. It's going to be very interesting to take a look at that in gaming, in the main channel, of course. In terms of memory, we're talking about 32 gigabytes of it. It's DDR5 7500 megahertz, so really fast DDR5 RAM, 1 terabyte of storage, Wi-Fi 6, and so on. And let's open it up. So now I got a proper knife to do this with. Very good indeed. Let's go open it up by the side over here. Okay. So now we just slide the box like that. Come on, it's a little bit hard, okay? A little bit harder than what I was expecting, but there we go, it's out. And now we got this little white box. Let's open it up like this. And here we got, thank you for your choice. All right. All right, anyway, so here we got the device itself. We got the Beelink logo. This is metal, from what I can see. It's very heavy, actually. Good stuff. Nice build quality from Beelink, as usual. And over on the bottom, it's plastic, but we got this little flap here, which is nice if you want to remove the screws, which are under some rubber tips right there. On the front of the device, we got the power button here. It's pretty clicky. A headphone jack, a USB 4, and a USB-A. And I don't know what these things are. Interesting. I haven't seen these little holes in other devices from Beelink. This one is normal to find in Beelink devices. It's the reset CMOS button. And on the back of the device, we got a DC power jack, another USB 4, HDMI, another headphone jack, another USB-A, display port, the LAN port over here, and another couple of USB-As. Good stuff. Let's go over the rest of the things in the box. We got a hello card here. We also have a little user menu with some instructions, I guess. Seems like they also show you how to install an SSD in the user manual. That's pretty nice. And then lastly in the box, oh no, wait, we got the HDMI cable right here. All right, it's always a nice inclusion with these mini PCs, and the charger itself. As you can see, no magnetic charger anymore. They used to do that with like the Beelink SER9, I think, machines. We got a little magnetic thingy there, but now we went back to this port right here. It's probably better, right? It's easier to replace the charger this way. Here are the specs. So it's a 120 watt charger there. It's also a little bit heavy. So nice quality. They usually make really high quality stuff, Beelink, you know. And I guess now we should try to open it up. It's pretty easy usually, so let's do this. So here we go. I'm gonna remove these. Oh boy, no, these are pretty hard to remove actually. Okay, so one off and I managed to screw it up a little bit as well. Takes a little effort to get them out actually because of the glue. Come on. All right, there we go. 4 of them are out. Now let's remove the screws. Let's go. It's off. And now let's just grab this little flap over here once again. As I told you, it's very easy to remove this back cover. There we go. Now they have this dust filter here as well. This is pretty cool, you know. You just remove the back cover and you can clean this up and not a lot of dust will go through, you know. Now we have some speakers here. So that's what these little holes on the front are for. Some audio out, I guess, and also on the bottom. And well, now I guess we're going to remove a few more screws, just this one, and we should be able to take off the dust filter. Here we go. Another one out. Let's see if this just comes off easily. Yes, it does. Just like that. It is attached though, so be careful. It's the speakers basically right there. You can see it. So I'm not going to deattach that. It's probably not needed for us to take a look at the inside. And over here we got an SSD cooler. Pretty nice touch as well. You got to remove, I think, this screw right here to get access to it. Let's see. Come on, get out, little screw. It's a little bit harder, okay. And, all right, that you would definitely need to remove this one as well. And now we should be able to remove the SSD cooler. There we go. We got some thermal pads as well over here. And that's the SSD it comes with, the 1 terabyte drive. You have the other space for another SSD, full size as well, M.2. And we got the M.2 Wi-Fi card easily accessible here as well. Now, if you want to clean the heatsink, you'll need to get the motherboard off, of course. I think this is the RAM as well, by the way, because it's soldered to the motherboard. That's how they get those ultra-fast speeds with LPDDR5. And yeah, that's about it for the teardown. I'm not going to touch anything else here, okay? So that's it for this simple view of the Beelink SER9's insides, as well as the unboxing. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Let me know if you'd be interested in buying something like this. I'll have a link down in the description. Just going to reassemble all of this, which is a very easy process once again. Both of the screws are in, and now let's just reassemble the back cover, or bottom cover, actually, not back cover. I've been saying back cover the entire video, but okay. And there we go, now I'm just putting back the little rubber things. So that's it for the Beelink SER9 unboxing, guys. Give it a like if you did. I'll catch you in the next one. Love you all. Bye-bye.